In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments instead of emails. Using comments directly inside your work management tool is a great way to keep communication organized, reduce email clutter, and make sure every discussion stays attached to the work it's about. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so you can confidently switch from sending emails to collaborating through comments. First, start by opening your workspace and selecting the project you want to work on. Think of a project as the container that holds all the related tasks, files, and discussions for a particular initiative. By starting from the project level, you make sure that every comment you add later will be in the right context and visible to the right people on your team. Once you're inside the project, look through the list of tasks and click on the specific task you want to discuss. This is important because instead of sending a vague email like, "about that thing we talked about," you're now attaching your message directly to a specific piece of work. When you open the task, you'll see all the details such as descriptions, deadlines, and assignees. Inside the task view, find and click on the comment option. This is usually located near the bottom or on the side of the task window. Clicking on comment opens up a dedicated space where you can type your message. This is your replacement for writing an email about this task. Now, type in your comment. Be clear and specific, just like you would in a good email. Mention what you need, share updates, or ask questions. If your platform allows it, you can also attach files, screenshots, or documents directly into the comment. This is especially useful when you would normally attach a file to an email. Keeping these files in the comment thread means anyone who opens the task later can see the entire history and all related materials in one place. When you're happy with what you've written and any files you've attached, click on Submit. This publishes your comment to the task. Your teammates will be notified according to their settings, and the conversation will stay neatly organized within that task instead of getting buried in an inbox. By following these steps each time you want to communicate about work, you will gradually shift your team away from scattered emails and toward a more streamlined, transparent